Hi guys, and welcome to Rex and Sammie's social media. I'm Peter, and we are currently on the way to the vet with Rex. As I mentioned in a video 2 days ago, both Rex and Sammie has got the kennel cough, which is a virus, and the dog starts coughing a lot. Usually this virus goes away by itself, just like when humans have a cold or something. But we think that Rex is coughing a little bit too heavy and a little too much, and also to the point where he's actually vomiting. So we want to make sure he's okay. So we have scheduled a time for the vet today. Rex is right there behind me in a trunk. He's been coughing a lot, especially at night. So our sleep has also been affected, of course. I think everything will be fine. Hopefully he will get some medicine. We just want to make sure that the kennel cough is not affecting the lungs, or so we won't get any pneumonia or anything like that. So it's mainly a precaution, but I think everything will be fine. And I will keep you guys posted. So hopefully I'll get permission to shoot video inside with the vet as well, so you can follow us all the way in. Actually, when we get to the vet, we have to I have to go in first without Rex, and then they will show us a dedicated room for Rex. So we go straight to that room. That's because this kennel cough is very contagious, so we don't want any other dogs to be infected. Maybe we even go in back door or something, I don't know. So let's go see the vet, Rex. Are you ready for the vet, Rex?
Kom. Stanna. Nej, natten har ju varit helt värdelös. Oj,
oj. Papperskorgen anfaller.
Ja.
Kör för dig. Det är bra. Det är fint. Ja. Jag ska säga till...
Kom här, Rex.
Kom. Jag får låta att ni rör. Jag får sätta mig ut mig.
No fever. No fever. Temperature was good.
Kom här, kom.
Jag vill inte det. Du kan ställa dig så. Ja. Så. Ja. Hallå. Vi har dig på en fin kalender. Inga flyttor. Vi har dig på en fin kalender. Har vi. Rex kalender. Han är vaccinerad. Han fick i september fick han det i Nu ser jag att på Sverige. Jag ser att du kan sälja. Det är bra. Så. Snuff. Det har inte kommit ut något genom näsan. Nej, det är inte så. Men
Ja, det var lite, bägge två lite blöta om
Men
näsan.
det är
Eller
så
så.
att det rinner ljus. Han andas normalt vad jag kan se. När han ligger och sover eller vilar. Då har du sett att han andas lugnt då.
Ja, fast det kan ju höras lite mer om alltså så.
Att det liksom...
Ja, lite så. Lite det hållet. Ja, det är inte bra.
Vi lyssnar noga. Mycket bra. Jag ska känna här bak också. Ja. Kan vi stå upp? Kan du tänka dig stå upp? Tänka dig stå upp. Så du ibland går fingret ut så att du tappar lite till för. Ja.
Så, kom. Hallå. Kom Rex. Sitt. Nej, sitt. Rex, sitt. Så. Okay, good boy. You did not have pneumonia. There was nothing on the lungs. Everything was fine. You need to rest and relax. Good boy. You were a good boy. Now I will go in and pay the vet. And we'll go home.
Hallå Rex.
Va?
Vem är bäst?
Ja.
Vill du ha den snutten också?
Ta det på engelska. This is my sister Ayla giving Rex some hot dog.
Njam. Var det gott?
Ja, jättegott. So we've been to the vet and the vet said all the lungs was okay, everything was okay. We just have to wait for you to
Duktig du är.
lose the kennel cough.
Du är duktig.
Like the hot dogs? Nu fäller han extra varför vi åker i bilen här.
Därför vi kan dra av lite.
Ja.
Vilken veterinär är ni just?
Karlslunds Veterinary Clinic på the Bollingen. So Rex, we're back home. You've been a good boy. You've been a good boy at the vet. So we met my sister Ayla at the hot dog stand. If you are a good boy at the vet, you get a hot dog, right Rex? So now you are eager to go indoors to meet Sammie. There you go. So the vet says everything is fine. Just monitor him. There was nothing on the lungs. There was nothing on the lungs and no higher temperature or anything. Everything was fine. So we just have to wait to let the cough pass away.